Hello and welcome. You're watching MBC Television. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. All Jantia Midday Meal Workers Union stages protest over unpaid salaries. Tulba Maukarwat Unit partners with authorities for road safety awareness program. Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma lauds FKJGP's water testing initiative. And FLN classroom inaugurated at Umroi for better education of young minds. And now the news in detail. In a show of frustration and desperation, members of the All Jantia Midday Meal Workers Union gathered today outside the office of the District School Education Officer in West Jantia Hills to protest the non-payment of their salaries and honorarium for the past 6 months. The demonstration marked a significant moment in the ongoing struggle of these workers against the government's negligence. Leaders of the union, including advisor K.L. Paryat and President Jerry Anderson Suting, held discussions with Ace Aim, the subdivision school education officer for West Jantia Hills, to express their grievances and hardships resulting from the extended salary delay. Speaking to the media, advisor K.L. Paryat emphasized that similar demonstrations were taking place in various district headquarters across the state today. Jerry Anderson Suting, president of the All Jantia Midday Meal Workers Union, along with the president of the Union of Cook Cum Helper PM Poshan and Meghalaya, announced that they would issue a 7-day ultimatum to the government to settle all outstanding payments.
Yung ketiangnya.
Tidak biasa biar kalam, dan mesti yang sedang itu saya peliam saya siang yang ya semua orang dalam lah. Sekarang boy dulu lagi, si kasil style dulu lagi, semairang dulu lagi. Jadi yang Thai nak ke sarkar dia you handia ada juga. Dulu saya peliam teman. Kalau yang ini dan dulu yang ini sen lupa di peliam teman yang mana. Maka long pe. Terima kasih sok ini yang mana. Ini saya ikat. Yang ini mah ada sesuatu na nantangi la ikendo bat ka Madam's aim kabay ka DSEO District School Education Officers jong bapay ya ka West Jantia te ka jing karen jong i bat ka ngila pan sngaw ya ka jing sngaw sing ka jong i ya lor pa kani bimyo ikani ka noriam dan riu panay namar ba hakisnam paladep ya don ka jing kendo meeting bat commissioner secretary jong education hapu ka porang bat Dr. BDR Tiwari pangirap sim ban yakran bat penban no gani ka system ban seo manu banai namar la dapila na government of Meghalaya kala ban ai kumni hadin san reu banai pen bat ya kapisa balem la ban ai manu banai te kata ngila pan sngaw ka na lorang taro ngila yatho ba ya kata ka deadline ka bangi ai po khanlai trek neu banai lada ka sarkar kam seo baro an reu banai ka basa kapisa no do banai April hado banai September nakaliang gajongi ki kuk ki badon hajala Meghalaya baro ngin pelong daga jing ki ne ka jing ya jing kren daga kham tang te halor gi ne nakaliang jong ka DSEO kala kren ong kala ong yangi bahkan saya tho ya ka ne ka jing le ka jing lap ka jongi sha ka state government haga jo ka poro ka karpat yangi bangindang yaisha sakat to ka nisngi wadam ya le ia kata ke kam ka jing khi ham namar ba ikermen nakaliang ka jong ka baka sarkar kan le ro hagini gisngi panwan kani ka jing ya mi jongi shaki office jong DSEO ni nakaliang ki kuk ki badan hajala Meghalaya ni la Shillong ki pelong kani ka jo gorkom jing khi haban sai gi peliang haban sai gi siang ta po mairang ro ki le apo ka is jantia apo cleariat kila isdang mantrai kani ka jujing ki balai ngila ikani namarba ngimla sha shu mdon khaum don eiro nagata ka daw ngi ong ngin pelong daga sai gi peliang sai gi siang ngin pensngyo sarkar jela ngim don ay isu sisen bangila sai gi peliang ka peni bangila dukha ka si taga jinge khi ka long habaro ka jela Meghalaya bat kanang jor sosyo lada ka sarkar kam an sngab ya kane ka jingkarpat ka jong ibat ka sistem ka baongi sistem mat ka rukom seo ya ka norium shikikup kibadan jela Meghalaya ngilap ba pawat ka share na central government kadong kandai pheu si pheu na ka sarkar jela ta kumbalong manta ha ka nagaliang ka sarkar jela kala pengkeu ya ka norium na ka state share na si spa tangga si banai syaka khatwai ka syaka siajar total long khatwai spa ka share na yung government kandai spa tangi yung kata ka system galong ba ka sarkar jela ka don ka pisa na kata ka si pheu ndrai balai ngimla man panbaj ya kani ai lupa shwa na state government katai khandai pheu persen na khandai pheu na sispa kato kadai tang khandai spa ka dor jong kapisa kadai ka barit compare kani ka enhancement tenata ka now lada ka sarkar jalla kan siu lupa shwa ya kani inriu panai siu shwa lupa ka pisa na state government kan sawan ka share na union government kata kadai ka system ikwa man panbaj ndrai kumbalong hadu menta kane ka sarkar kadang abad ya kata ka share banwan na ka union government kad ba ka share jong ka nagadala kikalam kren air kata kadang yung panbaj ya kane ka system sisen ba kane ka system kala ya kala dem kata kadai ka system.
The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association Tulba Maukarwan unit in collaboration with the Office of the Superintendent of Police Maukarwan, District Transport Officer and the Executive Engineer PWD organized a comprehensive road and safety awareness program today. The event saw the esteemed presence of LW Nongplo, Additional Superintendent of Police, Southwest Khasi Hills District, Maukarwan. The primary objective of this initiative was to address the growing concern of roads accidents in recent years. Tulba aimed to educate and remind drivers of the importance of staying vigilant and adhering to traffic safety rules to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of all road users. Speaking at the event, LW Nongplo emphasized that road safety is a shared responsibility, requiring both drivers and pedestrians to play their part. He urged everyone to be cautious and responsible while on the road, as accidents can have devastating consequences.
Bat inong kunon kam daga surok daga kejap kabalong di pedestrian. Abang ini ngayeng banya ni don la kajong kajing kit namar niya kunon kam lang na daga surok. Kumta abang ini ngayeng ban lek jauh na jahat na lek sa kinyo gejaka. Kapaning kong kalang pang niru ni dai ban lang. Ya kalentian kajong ini niat yang no. Namar ba kami katiarap yopi ladangi plan panjat nangno kami arap yopi bapin kiar na galintiya cibabun kali baka kiar na galintiya cibabun kali katani kumbasteng lani sampul poten kala yadai kadangiya nya dijaka bongdon kali kamut nila along siap lupa ya abang iyat pat lagi jaga kiba bon kali lada ki dong kita ki footpath lagi di sidewalk pendon kam yaki wat ia kani ia kasurok bat kali ngau bah ngai i bon sin kam tam magini di jaga jongi nomor disurok idang long di baret abang iyat si grup andala tang bani i kali lanewan koi kali iklat no arliang jong keturok bat sakadiang bat sakamon kajing le jongi kumto kapunlong ya driver bat ya keturok pakan rit bat ya driver baun artatin yano bantiar snowha kat bala inang punan kam me keturok dagajat hiar siliang side kabalong persya ya kat kali gabawan percaya di lada kali kawan nak kemat jong di kiar kalian kamon jele ban yang mar persya bat kali gabawan Namar dakiya nyaliang kadiang lada tiyak sakamat naliang kadiang kekali lawan kawan nadin jom di tim numyo iya kakali. Jele banya nakal liang kamon jom kesurok. Kumki Peit maru nidon ini kebaya ada kejat pihak penput di dirul bidan. Kamu kan ulungnya kali bahaput rulan. Lesi hang ni ngimdon Handrai haki jaka ki bakam hai ki dom kita di zebra crossing di stop line ladang imut pan cross ya ka surok ngidei man penontam ya gitu bijaka om pan sia cross lumar nawai zebra crossing ki dom di stop line hakum gitu bijaka u driver ni simbes ba ulatif ba beliau unsa cross na ka to gadaka u kham long husiar. Jale pangkong daki jan kiba sairong batla dadon lay di bolong reflected. Kiba kun kaba. Bonsir ni sutumat bat mentaru abang asyam hangni ngi ba bun na pedeng jengi ni sutunat ba banya pomrongyong. Slow bahawat pomrongyong na ba pipunan kam ya kasurap kakabaya bidat menmir. Kumbau driver banyak ai kali udai ban kiar na kading punon kam ya kading di penbuat ngiro ibaya ja kedat abang idon kam banyak ja kedat ngi dei ban kiar na kading di penbuat andala buat nginda jadi nyim dei syu banyak ja surok namar ngiro kum bina punon kam surok da kedat nyim don syu ya kata kabolong 100% ka concentration lani ka alertness bedongi kawai pat kabak hadu bat kabak hamdon tam dolong wat kaisingan ba u driver banyak ya kali lani ka arsaka unyo iabi onsen kalak banlong ba u driver lani banyak ya kali ulak bandum yo iabi lada timut ban kiar lani cross ya kasurok kumta kadon kam yang ni kum tinang penontam ya kasurok kaboya jidap agak tin kering jam in dia will walk defensively kamamut nihat ya kusiar pernila akan kiar ni kendria akan nonopor yo oleh si utang driver yo I yani bangiya kumta idon kam bang penon kam da kijan ingat di ba hamsai rong nang ba kan ketu jan ba sai rong kan siap atas mas jong driver habang ikros ya kasurong ngidei ban pek mark ladang iyo I bakadon kali kawan ngidei ban pek mark pat uto driver banyak ayat kali nang bang itu ba video I u batu uyo I bi dua bapin dia bapin bapin cross akan ingapor keba aswa pengansyong dabe na ibenta kinong penengkam ya di bicycle ani hamakora pengilakang bulan hagi ba penengkam cycle hamtam hagilan maulangwir ini kilang jekrang ini kilang jauh nang ila pun hagi ba penengkam di bicycle Handrai bun na pedang jong kini ba penengkam cycle kilo kim jupong helmet andalaya nemir kim ju penontam ya galak atau cycle la kalong ba kaptor ni daga nono ba ini kan haba kamdon ka reflective kulit haki tayar jong itu cycle kaban pen I bat pensyai la don ka kali ke bawan mar persya alami nadien jong di
Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma expressed his heartfelt gratitude to the Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People (FKJGP) for their proactive stance in addressing the water quality issue in Shillong. This comes after the FKJGP, under the leadership of Dundee Kongsit, submitted a comprehensive report on water testing to the Chief Minister on October 3rd. Addressing the media on October 4th, Chief Minister Sangma highlighted the significance of the FKJGP's initiative. He disclosed that there are over 1,000 water tanks serving local communities, municipalities and various government agencies in Shillong. The Public Health Engineering (PHE) department had periodically conducted water quality tests for the water distributed to the public. He also announced that he would instruct the PHE department to investigate the report's findings concerning 44 water tanks suspected of contamination.
Submitted a report regarding a water test that they had conducted, and I told them that we appreciate the kind of initiatives being taken, and these are very good initiatives being taken. But I would like to put 2-3 points forward. Number one is that we have more than 1,000 tanks that are there, that are run by locality, by municipal, by PHE, by different distribution agencies. Number one. Number two, that PHE department conducts tests regularly and their reports have come out normal. So therefore we are continuously doing, and we will continue to do in the future also. But having said that, and third point is that the water comes out from a source, and then through the source it is then distributed through many networks of municipal, of PHE, of local private lines, through different lines into different tanks, again owned by locals, sometimes privately, sometimes PHE, sometimes municipal. And hence when the water flows through the systems, some which can be very old also, there could be things that happened, so which we need to examine. But having said all of these things, we take the report seriously. I have asked the department to immediately conduct an inquiry into the entire process, and especially the 46 tanks that they have mentioned, and also to ensure that we go into all the other areas that are there. It's a large network, large system, and therefore we need to ensure that we take all the aspects into consideration. But as I said, nonetheless, we are not taking anything lightly. We will examine all the factors.
In a significant stride towards implementing the quality education standards outlined in the National Education Policy, Umroi Presbyterian High Secondary School has unveiled a special classroom tailored to benefit nursery students up to Class 3. This innovative space, known as the Foundational Literacy and Numeracy FLN Classroom, is dedicated to fostering practical, activity-based teaching methods and integrating information technology (ICT) into the learning process. The inauguration ceremony of the FLN classroom was graced by the presence of Mary Linra, State Pedagogy Coordinator of SSA SEMAM, along with esteemed dignitaries such as PL Nonglat, DSEO Riboy District, TP Tumong, Principal A. Gogoi Project Coordinator from the Bharti Foundation, Vincent Nyanglang, District Mission Coordinator of SSA and SDSEO Riboy District, S. Karshandi, Assistant Professor, dedicated teachers and enthusiastic students. The FLN classroom is designed with the primary goal of enhancing the foundational learning experience for students, setting a strong educational foundation that will benefit them throughout their academic journey. On the same day, Umroi Presbyterian High Secondary School also organized a school exhibition where students showcased their exhibits in accordance with the theme.
Discipline of the student will be changed, and the student will understand the importance of life, the importance of love, the importance of obedience, the importance of respect, the importance of forming the habit, and also the importance to be in the society or in the world. The present generation that we live today, remember, it is very complex, very, very complex. The people forget to love themselves. They forget to love their own body. They forget to love the parents. They forget to love
We can also see. No, actually, the effort that sir is giving, there is something different actually, no? You cannot implement everything from outside. I cannot implement everything from without the support. I would say everyone is praising Bharti Foundation. But the thing is like, no, this thing has happened because of sir. I won't take a single person of it.
We should give
yeah.
first credit.
Yes.
As a leader of the school.
And by the way, this is for sale, okay? This is demo.
There is one here. To reduce the malaria parasite. Yes. So that's why it ends.
And this one also made by student, and it's ready for order also.
That's great.
When there is a way, the toxic chemical from this agricultural land will go into the river. In this way, the water goes to the irrigation of this agricultural garbage and businesses. Similarly, we can also produce electricity, heating, water, solar cooking, and a variety for other commercial and industrial uses. As a result, it does not cause pollution because it is renewable resources. Thus, we must try to use solar energy more and more to save our planet Earth.
I was the advantages of this energy. Using solar energy can reduce the pollution. I don't need to pay for it like we pay for the city to the government. We can use solar energy as well as the sun present. We can use solar energy anytime we need, especially in the night time because our students do some work, example like reading or writing some work. Solar energy, we get from this energy, we get to do like cooking, playing television, light, and running the fan, and so on.
The esteemed leaders of the Khasi Author Society, KAS, have returned from Delhi following a triumphant seminar. In a press conference held at the State Central Library, President Professor D.R.L. Nonglait addressed the media and expressed the Society's achievements and aspirations. Professor Nonglait reported that a Delhi seminar witnessed the participation of numerous dignitaries, marking it as a resounding success. During their interactions with the Ministry of Home Affairs, KAS presented several key demands. These include the imperative inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule, the initiation of discussions in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to deliberate on this matter, and the creation of comprehensive documentation chronicling the development of the Khasi language. Professor Nonglait extended heartfelt appreciation to all individuals who contributed to the seminar's success and played a pivotal role in recognizing the importance of the Khasi language in the heart of Delhi.
Hadian melakot kini kelampung yang mercintip, agak buan kiru syampang kila ya dan benta, la kedau katukat ni, menit dan dari don kiba amsim la kemaban kedau di Dr. Naidlang teriang deh, nampak Christ University Bangalore, nata i kaum Olivia Bang, ibalong advocate at Supreme Court, kituru ilai long ki Rusian Pang ban ai nalor ki waipan ti hadin balakut ka jingamir jitem bat ka jingalang pan pa ajan termanta ka Khasi Society kala sim South li kirai bat kini ngikwa ya gabal pentem sepi baro ba pen priang lam ye kini kirai ki Bangladesh ka baneng kong kalong ban panji shai na ka office Jong who Union Home Minister who Amit Shah halor ki dorkas ki bingla submit show how January arhajar arpoe habawan Shillong wat lang ngimsim lai kendo markmat yo rei nila ai ya dorkas lengba menteri sarkar agdopor ba Nanta ka waipat ka jimpen kan mayu kedaya ka arp sautren trong Julai arah jalan puai haka bangila daya kendo markmat bato hangne Shillong haki jimran ka jong Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma jimran ka jong Chief Secretary atau bat ki wai ki officer enrei hadien jong kito ki jinga kendo bat ke jing ai ki dorkas ngim simyo jibab ai timenta wei karai bat kata karong karai ban kong pan jing sai na ka office jong u menteri kampo ien ka sarkar India hangno ka don kenika kam jongi amat na ong ak tinawai mantep ya ka status jong kenika jingdawa jongi Namar mensyua habang kendo ya Rajnath Singh baru Rijiju Kiran Rijiju hau Januari rajar kat khandai tang hadin arpanai nilayo ya kejupa ba ketien Khasi ka don ha less jong ki pending demands lai popratli ketien Khasi ga ko wei bat la yathu yangi ha ka jubab ba ka ministry kandang pegnia ya kene kam ti hadin ketua paden dang le kendo ya Amit Shah hadin bangla submit ya ki dorkas jongi bat ka jinga kendo markmat bat uru ngim sim yo juba komta nilarai ban pan jing sai na ka office jong menteri kam po yin ka sarkar India hangno ka dan kene kam ka jongi ke baar pat Kamu sim ya kerai kolong ba ka sarkar India ke bamenta kan simno mardor ya kisin jam ban penkre ban wanra ya ni ong ka ain rauma ya ka bill hapo parlimen ha ka sin siong dorbar jong parlimen ke bansawan laga long kloi kat no ne khamslem rei ong ba ka dei banwan ra no ya ka bill nakaliang sinsya ka official bill nakaliang jang sarkar ha parliament ha gnika sinchong dorbar jang parliament ka ban sadong ti ka wi pat ban submit ya ka thop jingpen biang jingtep ka documentation but ni la submit ye kene kedai ka documentation kaba ngi layo ban submit bro center ngi ai yeki dorkas lam dala yekaban bu sijaka yeki top jengtep baro andrei ka khasi author society da ka jing tresitam ngi labo yeki khat kiba dan ka jing tebet ke bakarpang ban lum ban lang yekini ringkat bat ki sabot ki jing pen sisa lani ki justifications baka tien jongi kalau long kabat ladai por laslam ban rum no apo ka khandet ka bapra tingila yo ban submit ya kan ni bat ka bakhado ka basau kalong ban ap ya ka jubab jong ka sarkar hapo kapor ka bangila dawa ngimla ban bu ya kapor Henry hapo kapor bangila dawa kabamati shwa jongka darbar parliament kaban session bat ladangim yo ke jepam ngin sa penlong da kiwai pat kilat jingeki kilat jingdawa jami ta ti yakini kirai ringkat bat ke jing penken mau yaki babon ki ki jingyat nanti jongga lagi jingdawa ringkat bat ki jingyat ho sithi apnang ka home ministry ki jingya kendo da ka bangilat da ka kanhon sa Delhi bat kumjuru angne Shillong ni lara ya ki dorkas ki batmai ringkat bat ki kot kisla ki ba ngila sulang agar dorkas mi bandaj ai sya ka office jong o minister kampoye mengabatu General Secretary Dr. Ati Kharsiye nangta Shaka Office Jongwo Prime Minister but kumjuro Shaka Office Jongka President Jongkari but menen ngila la banle ya kata but ka receive copy ka bangi layo kini kidai ki bala received deki to gilai talli ki office kata Jongwo Union Home Minister, Prime Minister, but President John Kerry. Ta tie giwai pat ki penat sarkar ki ba ni lapha ya ki copy na kam tare jing tep jong ki kalong shaka Ministry of Tribal Affairs, shaka Ministry of Culture, but ka Ministry of Minority. Ta Tikata gadai ka kam ka bangila pendap hado nen kasni ni klampat ai ka jingkran api gino tho bor hadin jo ka jing pendap ya tu jingalang number ni kwa ban ap shwa hado bangin dayo ban le ai ki kot kisla ki beran kam tingiran dap menen janmiet ikini baro ta ti menta ka basa kadai ka jingbontian kebasa kelong ka jingbontian ka khasi author society kan bontian o kawai ngaklet bangi rayo ro ya ka jing kendo arsen bat uai MP baruta urai Rakesh Sinha MP jong Raja Sabha badan hagiliang sarkar bat ka jing kendo jongi aka step jong ka sngin kong kalong ka jing kren ka ba la jrong bha rengim patla ya kaban ai shu yi kot kisla namar ya kedi nim simla ban penyo kopi nado bangi pelaj ya kene sajan tingirang shon biang hakasni baar he to kambat hakasni baar nginang shon biang bat ngirang lit ai biang ya kene ka documentation haka sngi ka baar menmet nyo beje Shau Rakesh Sinha ringkat bat kajing ai copy ye ki dorkas ki bangila pha shau Home Minister shau Prime Minister bat shau President shaka President Jongkari ti yamata ngim simla ya kabani kendo bat ki wai pat ki he sarkar like no tang bat uni woi MP uba ha ke jingtip jongi udan ba ke jiajan bat Prime Minister kumjuro bat Union Minister naga tagadaw ngi sa jet knang banyo bat ngi yo banishon bat ASEAN tati ke jingkula na kirim jongu kalong bet banikren batu Union Home Minister umpatla ban ai kawai pat ke jikula palat ya kata nreu ongan sesim kia ban yakren ni kene kam bat Union Home Minister ke mat ke bakongsan bang ibu ibu kalong ban wanra yak anreu ha parliament ha kasinsyong darbar parliament ke ban sodong ti menta ke jimbut dien kalong yakini ikut kisla da ka bangin wan yiki jingtep kan bala da ka bangilet siki ministry ngladan ro ka tim ke baklan ke jongi hangtia dali kitu gi badan dali ken bodien hangno ka dan ne am ka jing persang ban sim yaki sinjam ban pentre ya kebel hadin ba nilayo ban submit yaki niki ban ai yaki niki dot khas ki jongi tika jing bodien kan long sekitu lai khamtam ki bangila ai ka dorkhas ka office jong o home minister office jong prime minister but ka office jong the president.
In a recent development, Congress working president and former deputy chief minister Deborah C. Marak has put forth a proposal to forge a united front among all opposition parties for the forthcoming 2024 Lok Sabha elections in the Tura constituency. The target of this united opposition is the potential candidate from the National People's Party NPP Agatha K. Sangma. Deborah Marak, who has previously expressed her interest in contesting, emphasized that the final decision would depend on the party's high command. While there is ongoing speculation regarding potential Congress candidates, it's too early to officially announce any names, a viewpoint shared by other competing parties. During a meeting at her residence in William Nagar, Deborah Marak revealed that a District Congress Committee (DCC) gathered recently occurred in Tura. This meeting aimed to assess the recent MLA election and address the challenges confronting the Congress party. She stressed the importance of the Congress rebounding from its recent setbacks, highlighting the party's resilience and determination. When asked about the strategy to challenge the incumbent MP in upcoming elections, Deborah highlighted the importance of selecting a consensus candidate among opposition parties to maximize their chances of success. She also pointed out that in many constituencies, combined votes from the TMC and Congress could have secured victory and prevented senior leaders from defecting to the NPP had there been greater unity among opposition parties.
They asked me, definitely, some media friends, they asked me, what about Dr. Mukul and his team? Are they willing to come back? I said, yes, the door of the Congress is always open and we are ready to work together. Then they asked me, are you going to mediate or negotiate along with them? I said, who am I to do that? Unless and until I come on, they entrust me, given the responsibility, I don't mind doing that. Because when they went from Congress, they never discussed with the Congress before going. Now also, actually Congress will have nothing to do. If they are willing to come back and work together, it is up to the High Command. With the discussion with High Command, definitely we can do something. That is true, whatever you are asking. Because if you look at even all India level, we are working together under the umbrella of India. Now, nothing wrong. Even in Meghalaya, we can work together. And Congress always welcome and our door is open for all of them. Whoever wants to come and join Congress, they are welcome. We can definitely work together. Nothing like working together because you all know because of that only, because of division, many things gone wrong. If we work together in future, definitely we can revive the party, it will bounce back. We don't know as of now, because the High Command, they will decide. Whatever they are talking in the High Command, we don't know, because it is premature to say. I think when time comes, we will know who will be the Congress candidate. See, it depends again. You have asked, I have replied also. All depends on working together. If we work together, like what we are doing in other states, if we are giving a consensus candidate, one candidate among us, we have a better chance.
The past pupils of St. Michael's High Secondary School in Umsning came together today to organize a career guidance program in the school's auditorium hall. The event aimed to provide valuable guidance to students as they prepare to transition to higher education after completing their class 11 and 12 studies. One of the highlights of the event was the presentation of the prestigious Father Felix Bolini Academic Award to students who had excelled in the SSLC and HSSLC examinations. Distinguished individuals who graced the occasion included Dr. Erpiswel Rani, Assistant Professor of Sinat College, and Shemborlang Ranja, Secretary of KJWA Research Cell, who served as resource persons. Sister Idaline Soklet, the principal of St. Michael's High Secondary School, and Father Pius Shadap, the parish priest of Umsning Parish, Niki Kharthangmao, president of St. Michael's Past Pupil Association, along with dedicated teachers and past pupils, were also present to support and encourage the students. In a significant development in Tura, South Garo Hills on October 5th, two prominent social activists have taken action by filing Right to Information RTI requests concerning the Bakmara and Rongara Community and Rural Development Block. The primary concern revolves around the alleged misappropriation of funds in the implementation of central schemes aimed at developing the South Garo Hills region. The activists claim that their RTI requests were directed towards two key central schemes, namely the Integrated Chief Minister's Special Development Funds and the Special Rural Works Program. These schemes were designed to foster development within the South Garo Hills region. However, they assert that the CNRD block office failed to execute these schemes effectively. They have expressed strong condemnation for the alleged inefficiencies within the CNRD block office, emphasizing that these central schemes were intended to benefit the South Garo Hills region under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. In response to these concerns, the activists have called upon officials to conduct on-site inspections to determine the accuracy of their claims regarding the successful implementation of these programs.
Plakatarang panga witness kangba angangni nambe pa salam pun cina. Kasarang ni ma parang jerangan bakmara aro rongara blok ni ngao songdoi ke parang angni ma parang. Jikon anga ake kai maisha cem aro lekarang ko mana hacem. Ini gidunga bang ija tarat naskiya. Je skim rangan SRWP aro CMSDF muacem. Jikon acem MLA skim ba Chief Minister skim ni magana. Ye rangi bidunga cenga banga kamrang unat ke bako cenga song gemak cen weni niya ha betam ber cenga wen sok jaha. Uni bidunga cenga banga sekolah na camat ke barang ba donga construction na aro ba renovate kana camat ke barang ba donga. Betam rang pada bisong ka betam rang pada kaja. Aro jiran kaja ya lekarang ba cengi ake kai week ba aro masih ba lekarang ba cenga ya social media faragatiya. Naso antang ni songrang ko ni muna ba ino kantriktarang ni bimrang ba donga ini ko nasong antang area thangni ko songthang ni muna iko nasong dabi plani right ba donga aro bi plani right ba donga oni ko nasong yale kharang ko niang muna nasong antang thangni songona ba gthumrangona je scheme rang sukacham ba implement kata cham urang ko nasong bisong ko khat china aro nasong nadi ko khayom chumotna nangen 이런 거 비용 과연 보정 왕어데 안정 등탕 바 자쿠쿠바 강겐 무강치 아로 롱마라 에리아랑 바 동아 롱마라 에리아랑 니고
롱마라 에리아 니코 싱아 지건 롱마라 블록 니코 뭐가 레카 싱아 베벤 싱아 네바 컨트랙터니 비문고 비암 컨트랙터니 비문고 비오라 다데 비송 온스라타하 마이 디 컨트랙터니 비문고 납자 한데바 지봉고 이노 estimate cost, total amount, aro expenditure, aro complete uang jaha, mo, gua kan no details kude mana kan ba khali contractor ni bimu mang dong jan, diba jebong bo, mungkin nasi mang na digi atingan nasi mang phone number atingan, singa phone number atingon, nasi mang contractor ni bimu ko cing phone number ko kayak, cing ulas sekat naman kan, unude singa office call kate mo contractor ni bimu ko alat naman kan, ban nasi mang tantang bar yang emo office yang emo contractor ni bimu ko sandi na taman kan. Heta mena roba kain na batong kajang batong mena roba singi bang bata biar perang ciri I duin ini gisi pun singa bang bata CMSG baru SRWP scheme running corruption kontak na teman na bang akun kajang betam tong sarang ka betam de cukup biman dong gisa biman dong sangja kondi kiran na patuli na kau kirang sa mo di ba simang na ino jenga jige likha ko bode man ha wa ko na simang na singa ni masih ira pacina nasimang naba ini sobat pengen nasimang likha ko yang bo nasimang ni songrang yang kamera ko kama kabi bisa mama tulit hau kin sama nasimang yang nakatan mungkin nasimang likha ko misong pengen sakat ko mutila.
In a significant political event on October 5th, Arden Miller Basayomot, the leader of the Voice of the People Party, along with MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang, other party members and office bearers convened at Nong Klau Eastern West Khasi Hills District to elucidate the party's aims and principles. The meeting held at Nong Klau Market aimed to unite the local community with the party's vision. Arden Basayomot expressed his disappointment with the apparent lack of interest among the people in coming together to discuss the issues affecting their community. He lamented the prioritization of financial gain over community concerns, stating that such an attitude diminishes the pride associated with historical figures like Tirat Singh, a renowned freedom fighter. Furthermore, Basayomot emphasized that it becomes futile to take pride in the bravery of leaders from Hima Nong Klau who valiantly fought against the British if the community does not actively engage in discussions concerning their collective well-being.
Unang sor unang kendong ubaduk ubaduspa ngin yang lang kawai banetaya ke jat penriu ban sanjuri kalawai ke basngan ike longdien di mandien balan ing lanaman pai shoplay kandan beru wajnya ke lawan yang akmat jami mar ketara ko kipat ba mak yang ala daga jingkran ke jengah kali ke singah ko nong klau kala kamkor namar boleh kuno kono hajar ke himan nong klau teng ngasing rem habangawan jingni jaka bani ya ke jimpam senyau lani ke jimpam smokya jadi patba ban kinyawan banyanum mengini kren nam tak yap kayam jawa jandriu lana shoi ki pada ki mensim balai haning ila nyema ban pinki ya ke mensim ini denang ni bangin peni ya ke jinsha ya ke jingham Dengan ni, begini menteri yang kata mention ini. Oh, senang serong. Lesi la repite overplaying uba arden ude ukun hajar jog imam nong klau ude naga kepo long menteri naga kepo like kenso kabadan hak ban yahun ya ka menteri plan ude ukun hajar jingi o nang ni sikmak ngatrai pesi tu khana serong overplaying uba arden ude ukun hajar jog imam nong klau Kamentoi, mapin sarong upar dan udah kon hajar, jangan hima non klau, laga mensim ai idri kamdan, hapreng jongpi, kikon ke hajar, jangan hima non klau, hari ni kismi. Laga kala kampan ke jing ispai, laga kala kampan ke jing perkat mentoi simat, kamdan jimat mapin sarong yuktirat sing, kamdan jimat pan sarong, yang kita naram jimat klau. Yang ke jing rama juga hima non klau, menek persyak, igibor, jong disipai paring. Pilih mapi, ubanong kanong muna. Demanga, ubanong kanong muna ban penpau. Bangangin ikon dihajar juga himanong klau. Kadang hiar ke tugas senam, kajong tirosing. Kadang hiar ke senam, jadi tinggi roma. Kiba jeng, banyata, nang tagari bakai jet negeri. O kipai bari jangan. Nilai keleng-keleng, ban kersi tiap, ia ke jet negeri. Kumangalong ipi, ngin pendak, ia kata ke jingkot, Kamu kuat ini, bangin pertah perang jet beriu, banahamnya ke jet beriu, bagidan kaman Italy, bagidan kaman Longway, bagidan kaman Pei Suble, bagidan kaman itu kan perkat simet kaji. One more, ubiyok mentoi mentah simet, unim, unlai, lalagari kangam hagawai kasi.
In a significant display of regional unity, hundreds of individuals from Umthlong and surrounding areas gathered at a meeting held in Umthlong to pledge their support to the Voice of the People's Party. The event saw the presence of the party's president, Arden Milabasayomot, and the member of Legislative Assembly, MLA of Meghalaya constituency, Bright Starwell Marbanyang, along with party members from various constituencies who joined the membership drive. Addressing the enthusiastic crowd, President Arden Basayomot and MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang provided a concise overview of the party's goals and principles. This gathering serves as a testament to the growing influence and appeal of the People's Party in the region as it continues to gain support and momentum.
Mentah ke sarkar ke setuju begini ki MLA jong PPP ki keren ki rak ki mat ki persyawat dan panglat ini bengin keren apa assembly. Nani nyong ini ki baik. Ada pang ini assembly ka surat kan dega janga bengin ki. Bangi ke upai baun kersyana mangi mi ki nagam ta jongi ngeki nam ta ka pit ka piang jogi pat ba lagalong nong rap lagalong nong ri jingri lagalong ki noi ka school lagalong ki samla pule lagalong ki batrai kam la jong ngeki nam ta jongki menta baro la sak talut kajing hiar kayo kahat kajing hiar kayo ka kot hagini ki si kalong ka ba ishir kai ngalale kaleng yo nong gendong si post nem menshwa ba menta ngai ya kajing hiar jongki yang nong kendong balai kahya namar kam don ka kamai ka kaji kadon ka jing kerdo kam ka jing kerdo jam kam ni tang ka jing kerdo kam sarkar wati kam kontrak ru kerdo namar balai letri kontrak hidu MLA minister bat katu kan ngot kibre jongki kinoi kai kibre ga tulap ka babiang kinom trai homda topli tang ka shiti men simru kimyo katulap kiyo sisen reu panai Thaukan thau jam nanti ki khon sama amla kasurat ka bagi kitrai lagi buying jo ki MLA pigai baca terus surat lami ko khobor ni sni tar na gati rang la ai surat ke ini lana mangi ki pajpa ngem perkhat thamai nang ne shakhamat nanong epi kamantoi bangin ut kamantoi bangin yam dena markata la sengya ka Voice of the People Party bangin yang nakam ta kum ban kin tiu yang ni kari ka ba eje ka ji ban pinti kina bagi long din mandin kin yo ya ka lawai ka bsyan ban pinti kina ba kum ba chat brio ngin kiu ha ka yo ka kot bangin yo lang bangin kiu rinti lang kum ka chat brio ngin yang persya ya ka tu ka rukom ka ba penerus pa tang wayo arwod brio em ngidon hok kum ginong song banyo ya ka bit ka biang ya ka kamai ka kaji ka biang bat ngila sendong re megari ka party jingi halo ka taga sinchar ka kharar ka khut ka bangini le ka thma persya ka bangsa bangin ra ya ka ta shisha ka jing sinchar ka ba bit ka biang ka ban penmentoy ikipat ba nong song ngip kwa bagi pat ba jongi ken le yeng lan hayeng amali ban pan baikat ngim ko bagi pat ba jungi ken le yeng lan hayung amali ban pan bai dawai ngi ko abadi ban pen klan di jaga puli dai ban ki skol sarkar di babha cheki shnong gi thau geji siu ka tulap ka babiang gi nai kai khanang bala ban kring ye ki nai kai ban ka sap hikai ka play ai ki rami ki khon jingi ki le ki ta ki skol ki nyo e ge kai ka babet bu e gi jaga sumar ki babiang penbiang dawai ki PhD ki CSC penbiang ki doktor ki nurse ki test ki machine narong sharong mdan kam ban lek Shillong tang Shillong yung ya ka jaru nilalai ka bai kali banginyo ya ka kot ka khya ka babiang balibla ban lek kum talo ka don ka sinchar ka kharar ka bukhul nre menta ban penbiang dawai hospital ruma ban penbiang ki machine ki test ruma chubu ka hospital kongre ki school sarkar ki bambiang.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.